Hello students, welcome to the online classes. As we were doing our chapter 4, that is simple equations, so we will start with that only. Okay, so some of the equations are given here and we have to give the first step to separate the variable first and then we will solve the equation. Here x minus 1 equals to 0 given to us. It is very easy to solve it, but in these questions we have to follow the steps. So what step we will follow to separate the variable? Here x is the variable and we have to separate it out from this number. Here it is minus 1, so to remove it, what we will do, we will add 1 here because minus 1 plus 1 will be cancel out. So our step is add 1 both side. Students, we can't add 1 to one side only. We have to, if we are adding something, subtracting something, multiplying or dividing something, we will do that operation on both the sides. Okay, so we will add 1 to both sides as x minus 1 equals to 0 is given to us. So after adding 1, what will be our equation? This will be our equation. Now minus 1 plus 1 will be cancel out, they will give us 0, so x will be left here and 0 plus 1 will be 1. So value of x comes out to be 1 here. Okay, and students, as we were doing for earlier, what we do, here minus 1 will go to that side, here it is negative, so on that side it will be positive, then in that case also x is equals to 1. Okay, now next question, here it is plus 6, so what should we do to cancel it out? We will subtract 6 both side. Okay, so our step will be subtract 6 from both sides. Okay, so what will be our solution? Here y plus 6 was given. What we will do? We will subtract 6 from it, and then 2 is given to us, then we will subtract 6 from it. Okay, minus 6 both the sides. Now 6 minus 6 will be cancel out. Here y minus 6, sorry, 2 minus 6 will give us minus 4. So y equals to minus 4 is our answer. Now next one is 3l equals to 42. Here 3 is in multiplication, so what we will do, we will divide 3 both the sides. So divide 3 both sides, or divide both sides by 3, same thing. So here 3l is given to us, what we have to do, we have to divide this by 3. On the right side also it is 42, we have to divide it by 3. So here 3 ones and 3 ones are, so L is left here. Now 3 ones is 3 here, 3 ones is 3 and 3 fours is 12. So value of L comes out to be 14. Okay, now in next part, A divided by 5. So 5 is dividing here, so what we will do, we will multiply. So multiply 5 both the sides. Okay, so that we can cancel out this divided 5. Okay, so a by 5 is given to us, we have to multiply 5. On the right side also 7 by 15 is given to us, we will multiply 5. 5 and 5 will be cancel out, so a is left here. This is 5 ones are 5 and 5 threes is 15, so 7 by 3 is left here. So value of a is equals to 7 by 3. Okay, now in this kind of question, students, here 3 is in multiplication and 2 is in subtraction. So 2 steps will be here. First of all, what we will do, we will add 2 to both sides. Okay, and next what we will do, when we will add 2, this will be cancel out, but this 3 will be left which is in multiplication, so we will divide 3 on both sides. So these will be the 3 steps we have to follow. Okay, so here 3n minus 2 is given. First of all, we will add 2 on both the sides. So what will be our answer? Our answer will be 3n because these 2 will be 0. Okay, and 46 plus 2 will give us 48. So this is our answer after step 1. Then after step 2 it will be 3n by 3 equals to 48 by 3. So this 3 and this 3 will be cancel out. 3 ones is 3, 3 ones is 3 and 3 6 is 18. So our answer is n equals to 16. Okay. Now students, our sixth question is 20p divided by 3 is equals to 40. So students, in this also, as with p, the variable, here are two numbers, one is in multiplication and one is in division. So we have to follow the two steps. So first of all, we will divide. This is in division, so we will multiply by 3. So we will multiply 3 by both sides. Multiply 3 to both sides. Okay, so what will be the answer? Here 20p by 3 is here, we will multiply it by 3, equals to 40 multiplied by 3. Okay, we will multiply 3 to both the sides. Now here 3 and 3 will be cancelled out, so it will be 20p, and here 4 3s will be 12, and 1 0 is here, means 40 into 3 will give us 120. Okay, now here 20p equals to 120. Now this 20 is in multiplication, so we will divide it. So divide both the sides with 20. Okay, so that we can eliminate or remove this 20 from here. So 20p is here, what we will do, we will divide it by 20. Same here, we will divide it by 20. Okay, so this 20 and this 20 will be cancelled out. Here this 0 and 0 can be cancelled out. 2 1s will be 2 and 2 6 will be 12. So value of p comes out to be 6. Okay, now this is our 7th question. We have to solve this. In this we need not to write these steps, we will simply solve them. So here it is 10p, we will take this 10 to this side. Okay students, you can do like that also, or you can simply do like this as I am showing you here. Plus 10 is in addition, so on that side it will be in subtraction, so it will be 100 minus 10. So 10p will be equals to 90. Okay, because 100 minus 10 is 90. Now this 10 is in multiplication, so on that side it will be divided. So p will be equals to 90 divided by 10, and this 0 and this 0 will be cancelled out, so value of p comes out to be 9. Okay, now our 8th question is 4p divided by 4 is equals to 6. This 4 is in division, so we will take it to that side and it will be multiplied. So 3p is equals to 6 into 4. So 3p is equals to 24. Now this 3 is in multiplication, so on that side it will be divided. So p is equals to 24 divided by 3. 3 1s is 3 and 3 8s is 24. So value of p comes out to be 8. Okay, like this. Now question 9th is 3s is equals to 0. Students, this 3 is in multiplication with 0, so on that side 3 will be divided, and when something is divided by 0, the answer will remain 0. So here the value of s comes out to be 0. Okay, now students, we have to solve these equations. The first one is 2y plus 5 by 2 is equals to 37 by 2. We will be solving it here. So students, here this 5 by 2 is in addition, so if we take it to this side, it will be minus 5 by 2 is equals to 37 by 2. Okay, this is given to us. Now this is in addition, so when we will take to this side, it will be subtracted. So here 2y will be equals to 37 by 2 minus 5 by 2. So what will be our answer student? As 2 and 2 are common, means these two are like terms, so our denominator will be 2. 37 minus 5 will give us 32. Okay, and students, we can solve it further. 2 1s is 2, and here it will be 16 because 32 divided by 2 gives us 16. So here 2y is equals to 16. Here 2 is in multiplication, so if we take it to this side, so it will be divided. So y is equals to 16 by 2. 2 1s is 2 and 2 8s is 16. So value of 8 comes out, value of y comes out to be 8. Okay, we will solve like this. Now second one is 2b by 3. Solution 2 is 2b b by 3 minus 5 is equals to 3. So in this, what we will do, students, here 5 is in subtraction, and if we will take it to this side, it will be added. So 2b by 3 is equals to 3 plus 5. Okay, students, in these type of question, first of all take the number which is not with the variable. Okay, here this 5 by 2 was not with the variable, so that's why I take it first. In this minus 5 was not with the variable, so first solve this, then we will solve the term with the variable. Okay, so here 2b by 3 will be 8 here, because 3 plus 5 is 8. Now student, this 3 is in division, so if we take it to this side, it will be multiplied. So 2b is equals to 24. Now this 2 is in multiplication, so on that side it will be divided. So b is equals to 24 divided by 2. Here 2 ones is 2, and we will get 12. So value of b comes out to be 12. Okay. Now our solution, question third is 3 into n minus 5 is equals to 21. Okay, so here is the third solution, 3n minus 5 is equals to 21. Students, as this is in the bracket, it means this minus 5 is with the variable and this 3 is in multiplication. So first of all we will take it there and it will be divided. So n minus 5 will be 21 by 3. But we will get as our answer 3 ones will be 3 and 3 7 will be 21. So n minus 5 gives us 7. Now this 5 is in subtraction, so on that side it will be adding. So our value of n comes out to be 12. Okay. Now fourth one is minus 4, 2 plus x is equals to 8. We will solve it here. Solution 4. Minus 4, 2 plus x is equals to 8. We have to solve this one. Here what we will do, we will take this minus 4 to that side. Here it is in multiplication, so it will divide here. So 2 plus x is equals to 8 divided by minus 4. And students, as I told you in the standard form, what we will do, we will take this minus sign to the numerator and it will be like this. Now 4 ones will be 4 and 4 twos will be 8. So our answer is minus 8. It means 2 plus x is equals to minus 2. Here this 2 is in addition, so on that side it will be subtracted, so it will be minus 2. This plus 2 will be minus 2 there. Okay, so x is equals to minus 4. Minus 2 gives minus 4. So value of x is minus 4. Now question number 5 is 0 is equals to 16 plus 4m minus 6. So solution 5 is 0 equals to 16 plus 4m minus 6. Okay, so in this case what we will do, students, first of all we will take this 16 to this side. Here it is in addition, so it will be subtracted here. So it will be minus 16 is equals to 4m minus 6. Okay, now this 4 is in multiplication, so on that side it will be divided. So it will be divided with minus 16. So it will be minus 16 by 4 is equals to m minus 6. Now 4 ones is 4 and 4 fours is 16. So we are getting minus 4 here, and here it is m minus 6. Now students, this 6 is subtracting here, so on that side it will be added. Okay, so minus 4 plus 6 is equals to m. Now 6 minus 4 is 2. So value of m comes out to be 2. Okay. Now students, our sixth question is construct 3 equations starting with x equals to 2. Means we will start x equals to 2 and we have to construct 3 of the equations. Okay. So first of all we will start with x equals to as it is given. Okay. Now what we will do, we can multiply 3 or 4 or any of the number on both sides as we are done earlier. So multiply 3 with both sides. Okay, so by this what we will get, here 3 into x will gives us 3x, and here it will be 2 into 3 as we are multiplying 3 both sides. So it will be 3x is equals to 6. So this is our one of the equation. Okay, now what we can do, we can add 10 to both the sides. Okay, so what we can do, add 10 both the sides. Students, here we can take x equals to 2 also. Now we can write x plus 10 is equals to 2 plus 10, as we have to start from x equals to 2. Now x equals to 2 is here, we are adding 10 to both the sides. So x plus 10 gives us 12, because 2 plus 10 is 12. So like this we are getting this equation. Okay, so students, like this you can subtract on both the sides, you can divide on both the sides, but you will start from x equals to 2 and then you will get different equations. And students, when you will solve these equations, your answer will always be x equals to 2. Okay, so these are the two equations, and as we have to construct three equations, so third equation can be any of you can make. Okay, here 3x equals to 6, and here what we have done, we have multiplied 3 both sides and then we have add both sides. So we can combine these two steps also. Okay, suppose I am writing here add 10 both sides, and also what I am doing, I am multiplying 3 both side. Okay, multiplying 3 both side. So in this case, what will be our equation, students? As we have to start from x equals to 2, what we are doing, we are multiplying 3 both side. So x into 3 is equals to 2 into 3, so it will be 3x is equals to 6. Okay, now we will apply this one step. So what we have to do, we have to add 10 both the sides. So 3x plus 10 is equals to 6 plus 10. So what will be our equation, student? Our equation will be 3x plus 10 is equals to 16, because 10 plus 6 equals to 16. So this is our third equation. So students, by using one step also and by using 2 steps also, you can construct the equations. Okay, so by this our today's topic is over. Hope to see in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.